Okay, looks like this video will be a two-parter because my phone was being naughty. As you can see, I've done the bolt up. Gear oil is all done. And as you can see, there's the oil. And all done. All easy. As I said, save yourself some money. Do it yourself. The Kymco. Now this is a 2012 model. Bought brand new. But they're virtually it's all the same. Most bikes would be very similar. As I said, just make sure, I'm not held responsible if you don't put enough gear oil in. Okay, so give me a thumbs up, hit me with a subscribe, like my channel, especially if you love this video. Hope it helps. Any questions, put it in the comments. Hopefully I'll be able to answer. Awesome, thank you.